This video will guide you through reviewing a publishing contract. Publishing contract review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform, since both authors and publishers want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a publishing contract and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a publishing contract, key terms to find and understand in your document, costs to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for publishing contracts. Publishing contracts are legally binding documents that outline the rights and obligations of both the author and the publisher. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Copyright and ownership. Ensure the agreement clearly states who holds the copyright to the work and any rights granted to the publisher. Royalties and advances. Understand the payment structure, including any advances against royalties and the percentage of royalties on various forms of media. Marketing and promotion. Review the publisher's obligations for marketing and promoting the work. Delivery and acceptance. Check the deadlines for manuscript delivery and the criteria for acceptance. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws, especially copyright laws. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a publishing contract. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have included a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Publishing contracts contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both the author and the publisher are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the individuals or entities are used. 2. Copyright and ownership. Review the section that specifies who holds the copyright to the work and any rights granted to the publisher. 3. Royalties and advances. Check the payment terms, including any advances against royalties and the percentage of royalties on various forms of media. 4. Subsidiary rights. Understand the terms regarding the licensing of subsidiary rights such as film, audio, translations, and merchandise. 5. Delivery and acceptance. Review the deadlines for manuscript delivery and the criteria for acceptance by the publisher. 6. Publication and marketing. Ensure that the agreement outlines the publisher's obligations for publishing, distributing, and marketing the work. 7. Termination conditions. Understand the conditions under which the agreement can be terminated by either party, including any notice periods and grounds for termination. And 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the contract, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average costs to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your publishing contract is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a publishing contract is $630 on a flat fee basis. This is based on dozens of recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. Service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also needing the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a publishing contract is crucial in ensuring you understand all the terms of the agreement and protect your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.